Welcome to the spoken tutorial on the importance of vitamin C. In this tutorial, we will learn about role of vitamin C in the body, food sources of vitamin C, ways to increase vitamin C intake in our diet. Vitamin C is a water-soluble vitamin. It plays a very important role in several body functions. It is essential for the synthesis of collagen, which acts like a cement. It holds the bones, muscles, skin, and the whole body together. Tissues of our body like skin, hair, blood vessels, and bones have collagen. Vitamin C helps in recovery after a muscle or skeletal injury. It helps in the healing of wounds. It is also required for maintaining healthy skin. Another role of vitamin C is that it acts as an antioxidant. Antioxidants are substances that protect our body from damage by free radicals. Free radicals are substances that are naturally produced in the body. They become harmful only when they become excessive. Pollution, smoking, alcohol, harmful chemicals increase free radicals production. This results in cancer, diabetes, heart diseases, and cataract. Vitamin C reduces the formation of free radicals in the body, thus protecting our cells from damage. Vitamin C also strengthens our immune system. It helps in fighting infections and protecting against other diseases. For example, common cold, cancer, and heart diseases. Vitamin C helps in bone formation. It also helps in the synthesis of a few hormones. For example, dopamine, adrenaline, noradrenaline. These hormones help the body respond to stress or fright. In addition, vitamin C enhances the absorption of non-heme iron in the body. Non-heme iron is a form of iron which is mostly present in plant-based foods. For example, green leafy vegetables, seeds, nuts, and beans. Consuming too little vitamin C can increase the risk of iron deficiency. This may result in anemia, which is known as iron deficiency anemia. Deficiency of vitamin C can result in scurvy. Early signs of scurvy are uneasiness, fever, and fatigue. Other symptoms are swelling and bleeding in gums and loosening of teeth. Poor healing of wounds and bruises and bleeding on the skin is visible. Swelling and pain in the joints may also arise. The hair becomes dry and coiled. Other signs of deficiency are dry skin, mood changes, and poor immunity. Iron deficiency anemia can also occur due to vitamin C deficiency. Let us now look at the daily vitamin C recommendation. For babies up to 12 months of age, 25 mg per day is recommended. For children who are 1 to 10 years old, 40 mg per day is recommended. For adolescents, 45 to 75 mg per day is recommended. For adult females, it is 75 mg. 90 mg is recommended for adult males. The requirements are higher during pregnancy and lactation. Pregnant women should have 85 milligrams of vitamin C per day. Lactating mothers should have 120 milligrams per day. Let me now tell you the food sources of vitamin C. Certain fruits and vegetables are good sources of vitamin C. Among fruits, gooseberry and guava are the richest sources. One medium-sized guava gives around 300 milligrams of vitamin C. One gooseberry has nearly 60 milligrams of vitamin C. Other examples are Bengal currant, Indian jujube, and raw mango. Fruits like oranges, lemons, and sweet limes are also good sources. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice has approximately 8 milligrams of vitamin C. 1 medium orange has about 40 milligrams. Even green leafy vegetables have an adequate amount of vitamin C. For example, leaves of drumstick, amaranth, radish, and mustard. Fenugreek leaves and agathi leaves are other examples. 100 grams of raw green leafy vegetables have about 60 to 100 milligrams. Coriander and mint leaves also have some amount of vitamin C. Some other vegetables also have moderate amounts of vitamin C. For example, capsicum, cabbage, drumsticks, bitter gourd, tomatoes, and peas. 100 grams or 2 raw tomatoes have 27 milligrams of vitamin C. There are certain factors which decrease the vitamin C content of the food. It is sensitive to heat and water. It is lost if cooked at high temperature or exposed to prolonged sunlight. Cooking in excessive water and discarding the water also results in loss. Storing food in the refrigerator for a long time reduces the vitamin C content. Thus, many of the vitamin C rich foods are best consumed raw. This way, you get the maximum amount of vitamin C from it. If they are cooked, they should be cooked on low flame for short durations. Steam or saute vegetables instead of boiling. Upon steaming, the loss of vitamin C is the least. Do not repetitively heat the food. Cook with minimum or no water. Avoid storing and refrigerating food for a long time. Let us learn some ways to increase our daily intake of vitamin C. Eat fresh fruits and vegetables. Pick the raw fruits as they have more vitamin C. Try having a food source of vitamin C with every meal. With your meals, you can have mint, curry leaf, or coriander dips. Lemon juice can be sprinkled on your food. Garnish your meals with coriander leaves or mint leaves after cooking. You can also increase the vitamin C content of your food by sprouting. As much as possible, include sprouted beans in your diet. All these methods will ensure that we get adequate vitamin C from our diet. Adequate intake of vitamin C is necessary for our good health. This brings us to the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.